Hi, welcome to this video. Here is how you can get the sentiment on Twitter about a topic or of a person. Connect to my website thomasmore.org, select the Tweet Graphs option. This tool is free and you don't need to register. You can enter a word or words that you are looking for. You can also choose the language of the tweets, the user who has tweeted. You can also restrict the search by the number of likes, replies, and retweets. If you want, you can also use a custom search string that you can build from Twitter Advanced Search. Go to twitter.com/search-advanced, enter the criteria that you want to use, press the search button, look at the URL, copy the section between the Q equals and the ampersand src, press the copied section into my tool query field, and then press the search button. This overrides all the other parameters except the from date that restricts to only a few days to save the volume transferred on my website. A few seconds after pressing search, you get the results. In the lower part, you get a table with the retrieved tweets. It provides data like the date and time, the number of likes, replies, and tweets, and also sentiment indicators. The sentiment field indicates how positive or negative the post is, and the subjectivity field indicates how objective the post seems to be. Above the table, the sentiment values are displayed in a scatter graph. That gives you a graphical idea of the sentiment. I plan to add more information. Please let me know in the comments below or on the website if you have ideas you want to share with me. You can also export the table to a file by pressing the button Download. Click on the downloaded file and you can see the data. There are some issues with line split in the tweets that I have to look into. So this is how you download Twitter tweets and get a sentiment about them in a few seconds. This solution is readily available on my website. You can also install this tool on your own environment to improve it with your own requirements or to play with the code. In the rest of this video, I will give you the steps to install this tool on your own environment. In my next video, I will go through the code. So I will now show you how to install this Twitter tool in your own environment. First, connect to GitHub with a link in the description below. Download the tool by selecting Code and then download the zip. Open the zip. Select the directory that is inside the zip file. Copy it. Paste the directory somewhere in your computer. For example, I choose my desktop and then tests. I then paste the new directory in the selected location. The next step is to get this new program to run on your machine. For this, we need to install a few prerequisites and then launch the application. Here are the prerequisites. First, Python. If you do not have Python on your machine, follow the instructions given in the description below. Then open a command prompt. Go to the directory where you copied the tool. In my case, desktop and then tests. Check your Python version by typing python-version. It should display a number equal or bigger than 3.6. If a version is lower, you should upgrade your Python installation. This will apply for all the other commands starting with Python. Type python-m space venv space venv. This creates what is called a virtual environment. A virtual environment is not mandatory, but it is highly recommended. A virtual environment will isolate the version of Python and libraries for this given tool. Then type venv/scripts/activate. That should display a venv text at the beginning of a row. Now that we have Python and a virtual environment, we have to install a few libraries on which our program runs. Type pip install followed by the libraries as given in the description below. If you do not get any error, you are ready to run the tool. If you get some error, leave a comment and I will try to help you. Start the application by typing python app.py. Open a browser like Chrome, Safari or Firefox. Open the URL 127.0.0.1 column 5004. You should now have the tool running on your local machine. This version includes an additional graph, which is the wordcloud. This shows graphically the words that are used in the different tweets. Tomorrow I will publish a video detailing the code used in this tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.